What up? Hey, it's your boy Steve. We're here at FedEx Field. We just rolled in to the pep rally. We're a little bit late. I think the doors are about to open, but we're gonna go check it out. Say what's up, Jared.
What's up?
Yeah. There's the stadium. We're getting ready to gather our stuff, and we're gonna roll in. Let's go.
Wait, is that the stadium?
Yeah, it was a nice little vibe. The pep rally, we were excited. We got there a little bit late. The line started filling up pretty quickly. As you can see, we had pretty good parking walking up to the stadium. It took a while for the lines to move, but once they started moving and getting through security, it was fine. They gave you these cool little lanyards as you were waiting. As you can see right there, not too bad. They had a line going through the helmet and a line going through the other side. Yeah, they had the field goals for kicking. They also had, right next to security, the little wall to throw footballs at. You know, young buck in front of us made it through the hole. Look at that. So of course, you know, my son wanted to give it a go. You know, the balls were a little bit large. I'd say they were college-sized balls, not K2s, not Pee-wee size. They were a little large, but yeah, he almost made it. Of course, if we didn't get a picture next to the legend Sammy Ball, had to do that, you know. And this photo right here was just a dope shot. It was a mistaken shot, but I thought it was pretty cool. Hey, and check out my boys, Aaron and Juan. Hey, listen, Aaron was the original Commandalorian, doing it big. He's one of the best 3D printers I know. And my boy Juan is the biggest DC sports fan I know. You will not find anyone bigger into DC sports than old Mr. Juan. And check out the 405 crew. They just were established this year, and they're just a group of fans representing FedEx Field from Section 405, tailgating in the red zone lot.
Teach me how to drink. 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 Everybody love me.
What's up, Rio? You excited, bro? You excited? Let's go. Let's go. Shout out to Rio. We got our team back, baby. Let's go.
And of course, you got to go check out our boy Real Robinson. It wouldn't be a Commanders event without Real on site. Hey, Real's an old friend. We've been around for a while together in the content creator space. Hey, go check out his YouTube channel, man. Give him some love and sub up.
Y'all know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to dougie. I step up in the club and all these girls love me. You boy dancing, and I never know me. I hear the spot screaming.
Hey, go check out my boy Deuce from Red Zone in the Lab, the founder of Red Zone in the Lab podcast, DC's premier all things life and sports podcast zone. Hey, Red Zone's talking about entrepreneurship, black history, education, movies, everyday life, and of course sports. Man, they're just doing big things. They're in Twitter Spaces. Deuce, C, Henry, Lady E, DT, CeeLo, Breeze, Caleb, Kadar, Prez. Hey, the folks over there, man, are doing it big. And if you heard it here first, just wait. They're blowing up. So I advise you to go tune in. Nothing but love for them folks. Man, it was such a vibe. You can see people dancing. People were in a good mood. You haven't seen Commanders fans this excited in a long time. Everyone was just happy to be there. No animosity. We were all there for the righteous cause of seeing our new owner. Go check out my boy CeeLo, Colin, Hog Farmer Jeff. Thank you for the photo op.
Proud. And we really do appreciate you guys being here, showing your support, and helping us to bring the fan base back. And also, Coach Gibbs. A real special. Current team leaders and mentors and the new stewards of this franchise all under one roof gives me tremendous hope and excitement for what the future does hold for this football team. We're looking forward to seeing.
To that point of being back here at FedEx, week 1 is trending to be a sellout, so if you haven't bought yet, you should buy. But importantly, it means that the fan base is rallying around these guys, and that's going to make a difference. The new owner of the team and managing partner of the Commanders, Josh Gibbs.
Thanks, Jason. Thanks, Coach. And thank you all for being here on this incredibly exciting day. The first in the new era of the Washington Commanders. Today took an immense amount of work from a lot of people. Like, I'm not going to be able to mention everyone, but I need to mention the accomplished group of partners that we've put together. It's a group that's diverse, and that's on purpose. It's a group that is incredibly accomplished. Mitch, David, Magic, and Mark, who are up here, that you'll get to meet all of them. But I think we, the city, is lucky to have their support and engagement in building an incredible franchise. Of course, none of this would have been possible at all without my mom, Sylvia Harris, right there. Okay. As a kid who grew up in Chevy Chase, Maryland, I've been a fan of this team for as long as I can remember. One of my first memories was walking down East Capitol Street with the rest of the fans, going into RFK Stadium. We couldn't make the 20-year waiting list, so we didn't have season tickets. It literally was a 20-year waiting list. Hearing the crowd, feeling the rumbling of the stadium, and it really had an indelible mark on me as a human being. I grew up with Sonny Jurgensen, Billy Kilmer, Joe Theismann, Mark Rippon, Doug Williams, Joe Gibbs, Hogs, Darryl Green, John Riggins, and the rest of these legends, and 3 Super Bowl championships. The Redskins, the then Redskins, were the team that everyone wanted to be a part of, and it brought this city together. It was great. We were with all the past legends this morning, many of whom are here. And I can't tell you the feeling seeing Terry and John, our future legends. I'm thrilled that you're here with us, and it makes a big difference. Like, seeing this group together, the old and the new, is really special. This franchise is a part of who I am and who I became. It's part of my DNA. But I appreciate that it's not just about being a fan. I feel a tremendous sense of responsibility to this city to win championships, to create a positive impact on the community, and create great experiences and memories for future fans, just like I had growing up as a kid. I've done this before, and I believe that we are up to this task. In order to win, we're going to need the best, most committed people. Starting today, we will attract those people with a culture defined by excellence, dignity, respect, and inclusivity. I look forward to working with Jason and Ron to create great experiences, to create that culture, and create memories for our fans. I know we'll accomplish it. And we all need to work together to make sure that this team is a force that unites people in an otherwise divided world and brings them together. To the Commanders fans, our promise to you is straightforward. We will work tirelessly to make you proud once again of this franchise, like my family was when I grew up here. This is not going to be easy. My job is to deliver an organization that can win. It's on me and it's on us up here. Our work begins today, and I'm so excited to be on this journey together with the city. Thank you all.
Thank you, Josh, and I know I speak on behalf of all of us. We're ready to get to work. I'd like to introduce our next speaker.
So why do we exist? We are here to ignite and inspire all the communities we serve by winning championships. We got to ignite the fan base, we got to ignite the player base, we got to ignite the legends base, and we got to ignite all the commander associates base. There's a lot of people here who can help. And that's what I do. I was telling the legends a story, downstairs. I tried to be a football player.
I'm a champion person, an inspiring individual. I'd like to welcome Irvin Magic Johnson. God is so good. I'm so blessed today. Man, give him all the honor and glory to be this incredible African-American man, this black man standing here to be a part of this incredible franchise. I called when Josh and I talked. The first thing I said was, "Do you want to win?" And he said, "Yes." I said, "I'm in." Because I don't invest in sports teams for ego. To win. And we want to change everything that has happened to this franchise. We see the winners in the front row. Not only did they win Super Bowls, they also made the community great. And we want a community to be a part of what we're building here. That's going to be a part of my role, is to get out into the community and help them understand what we're doing, how we're doing it, and also we want to give back. We want to make an impact on this great community that we're doing business in. And so this is not just a proud day for me and my family, my beautiful wife Cookie, and our 3 children and 2 grandchildren, but I think for every African American in this country, because we've been left out of the NFL, but we're making strides. And Josh and all my incredible partners and now teammates, thank you for allowing me to be a part of this. And at a great city that I've known for a long time, played in this city and done a lot of business in this city, built a Starbucks, watched the Hilton, on and on and on. And then I got to tell you 2 stories how I'm tied to this city, and that's probably why God blessed me with this opportunity. Abe Poland, who used to own the Wizards, was one of my mentors. And then I go back to one of the owners that used to own this team. Jack Kent Cook had to make the deal with me to then sell the Lakers to Dr. Buss, the Washington Redskins. Isn't that something? So I'm supposed to be here and be a part of this incredible franchise. And I would say this, we've been meeting and we're ready for the challenge. We want to take all the headaches away from the players and coaches. We want them to concentrate on being great football players and winning games and coaching games. We want to make it easy for them, and that's what we're going to do. And I think that Josh touched on it. It's about excellence, best in class, doing everything the right way, and then over-delivering to our fan base. And we're going to do just that. So do me a favor, because this man didn't have to do this. He could have chose anybody else that didn't look like me. So can y'all stand up and give Josh a standing ovation, because that's important. Come on. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. And I'm ready to go to work and build a winner here, build a Super Bowl championship team here in Washington, in the Washington Commanders. Thank you. God bless.
Dan Cram, ABC7 here in DC. Congratulations to you and your family. Thank you very much. Obviously, you're used to building up a franchise, and you went through the process in Philly. Do you see this as a process here in Washington and maybe?
All right, so we're just leaving FedEx Field. We're checking out. My second oldest son, Jaron. How was it, buddy?
Good.
How was the temperature?
Very
It
hot.
was very hot. But how was the atmosphere? How cool was it?
Great.
Yeah, what did you come out of here with? You came out with what? A lanyard? A towel?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited for the new ownership?
Yes.
Mr. Harris, Mr. Rales, and Magic Johnson. You excited? Dan Snyder's out. Josh Harris is in. Say, let's go, Josh Harris.
Let's go, Josh Harris.
All right. Hey, who's our favorite NFL team?
Commander.
Yeah. All right. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. As always, peace and hail. We out.